Rapper Meek Mill sentenced to up to 4 years in jail. The musician faces prison for violating the terms of his parole following 2 arrests. Meek Mill has been sentenced to between 2 and 4 years in prison for violating his parole with 2 arrests, according to the Philadelphia Inquirer, 1 for fighting and another for reckless driving. The Philadelphia rapper, real name Robert Williams, has been on parole since autumn 2009, following a spell in prison on drugs and weapons charges. In March this year, the 30-year-old was arrested after a fight in St. Louis Airport, and in August he was arrested on a charge of reckless driving. Although both charges were later dropped, the judge said the arrest violated Mill's parole. He was immediately taken into custody. Jay-Z was among those who reacted to the sentencing. The rapper, who owns Roc Nation, the company that represents Mill, published a post on Facebook saying the sentence handed down by the judge, against the recommendation of the Assistant District Attorney and Probation Officer, is unjust and heavy-handed. On Instagram, comedian Kevin Hart also showed support for Mill, saying, "Praying for my brother at Meek Mill right now. God sometimes puts the toughest battles on his strongest soldiers." Mill was originally given 5 years of parole for the 2008 gun and drug charges and has violated his probation numerous times. Judge John C. Brinkley, who has overseen the case from the start, told Mill, "I gave you break after break, and you basically just thumbed your nose at this court." During a hearing in 2013, Brinkley ordered Mill to take etiquette lessons after the rapper complained about court staff in internet posts. In 2016, he was sentenced to 90 days of house arrest. Mill made headlines in 2015 when he entered into a feud with Drake, accusing the musician of using ghostwriters for his songs. Between 2015 and 2017, Mill was in a relationship with fellow rapper Nicki Minaj. In 2015 she told the judge she would help Mill to follow the rules of his parole.